Hi viewers, welcome to our channel. Today we'll see how to disable the developer mode in Windows 11 operating system. Click on search option here and type settings. Here click on the settings tab. It will open up the settings page in Windows 11 operating system, and here go for the privacy and security section. You can see security here. Here you can see for developers option here. Click on this option. You can see developer mode. Install apps from any source including loose files. It was enabled. So if you want to disable, click on this toggle button and disable the developer mode from Windows 11 operating system. Thanks for watching the video. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss our next video.